No, I thought. Okay. Hang on. Hey guys, so we're going to be with two people in Animal Company. My second video ever in Animal Company. I know it ain't
Wait, how
ended
do you have
for
5
the
million subs?
for the
This is
very
your
first
second
time. I know. I do.
What's your channel name?
Well, my brother does, not me. I don't know my brother's a channel, okay? Anyway, so guys, we are going. We are going to be not doing a live stream this day, for some reason. So yeah. Guy. Chat. Why? What? This guy thinks I'm a dude. Oh well, I can be a boy. So guys, today it's gonna be about me being a boy. Yeah. Okay, guys. Wait. Okay, so
Wait,
the video's gonna be in Lake. He killed himself. Dang, look at him.
Bro,
Okay, guys, so we're going to Lakes. Let's
don't
go.
tell anyone. Don't tell any of them.
No. Okay, that's okay. Are you using a voice changer?
Bro, what the?
Okay, I am so sorry.
I'm
Okay. No, stop! Yeah, come on, guys. We're going to Wakes. Stop wasting your money. Stop wasting your money! Ah! Oh, okay.
Bro, I haven't sold anything in a year.
Dang. Anyways, let's go, yo. Yo, so I'm going to be your fathers. I'm gonna be your father. You guys are gonna be little Timmys. You guys are gonna be little Timmys. You're gonna be little Timmy, and I'm gonna push you. Don't worry, I gotcha. Yeah, I'm not safe zone. Dang! You
I'm
just
back.
killed him.
He killed himself.
Okay, yeah, let's go to Lake. I get. I killed him. Get over here, buddy. No, get over here. No, little. What the? Okay, man, stop. Be honest. Yo. Okay, yeah, let's go. Hey, come on! Jesus. I'm not giving that guy credit. You can have it all, bro.
No, he has to because where'd my grappler go? Yo, this is my expensive. It's my important bag. Let me put my important bag.
Guys,
back
come
to my
on!
chest.
I thought we were doing a video.
Bro.
I thought we were doing a video, yo.
Yeah, we are. Yo, can I have that back, please? It's my only one.
Are we?
Okay, we gotta
No,
hurry.
stop. This
Bro,
is
you're not
not.
getting any credit if you don't. No, please, just please.
No, just please, oh please. We're gonna join a different lobby.
Dude.
We are going to actually join a different server. What? Try to push him. Okay, come on. Let's do the video, yo. So far you're not looking so good. He's getting 3% of the credit. You're getting only 1. So try.
I'll give you some stuff.
You already. Don't worry. Don't worry, my boy. I have galaxies too. I have galaxies too, my man.
You also
Okay.
Okay, I really need credit. I
have a galaxy umbrella too.
Bro,
Nice.
how do you do that?
Gate galaxy? Ooh, that ain't a. Wait, is that a book? I don't know. The grenade is actually kind of cool looking. You're not gonna lie. Excuse me. No, but I have a galaxy umbrella.
Yo, all I have is zombie meat.
That's okay. Oh, come on, yo. Oh, okay, bye.
Yo, could I
Okay, are we
steal-
going to record a video? No? I'm doing a video right now, though. I'm recording. I am recording.
Bro, you're not
Bye.
sending this to you.
You know, I'm gonna stop recording, not post this, and, you know, remake it.